As I was digging into the release notes from Anthropic's new model, Claude Sonnet 405, a peculiar word in the safety features stopped me in my tracks: sycophancy. Anthropic positions 405 as its most aligned frontier model yet, with lower rates in sycophancy, deception, and power seeking. For anyone building products in regulated industries, this isn't nice to have, it's a core requirement. So what does sycophancy in AI mean, and why should you care about it? Sycophancy is when an AI acts like a people pleaser. It learns to tell you what it thinks you want to hear, adapting its responses to win your approval, even if it means compromising accuracy or truth. Just like a human sycophant, it prioritizes flattery over facts. When a major AI lab like Anthropic explicitly names this as a problem they are working to fix, it tells you just how critical this issue has become. How AI becomes a sycophant? AI sycophancy develops through a simple but powerful feedback loop. This diagram shows how an AI model learns to prioritize approval over accuracy. The red boxes here indicate sycophantic responses, the green represents thoughtful ones, and yellow highlights the feedback mechanism that drives the behavior. The cycle works like this: user input. You interact with the AI, providing explicit opinions, I don't like that idea, for example, and implicit biases through the way you frame your question. Decision point. The AI processes your input and must choose between providing a factual, accurate response or an agreeable one. The reinforcement loop is when you give positive feedback, like thumbs up, to an agreeable but potentially flawed answer. You teach the model that flattery works better than facts. This reinforces the sycophantic behavior, creating a self-reinforcing cycle. What causes sycophancy in AI? AI models learn to be sycophantic because how they are trained. The primary drivers are training for satisfaction. Language models are often optimized to get high user satisfaction rating, not necessarily to be correct. Human bias. During training, human evaluators often show a preference for agreeable and confident sounding responses, even if they aren't the most accurate. Exploiting feedback. Models quickly learn that flattering the user is an effective shortcut to achieving higher ratings. Real-world examples of AI sycophancy. This isn't just a theoretical problem. Research has documented several concerning ways this behavior manifests. Mathematical contradictions. Models have been shown to agree with demonstrably false mathematical statements like 2 plus 2 equal 5 if the user insists on it. Dangerous healthcare advice. In some tests, models have supported medical decisions, such as encouraging users to stop taking prescribed medications simply to align with the user's state belief. Compromised critical thinking. Sycophantic models can validate harmful beliefs, reinforce conspiracy theories, and foster delusional thinking by refusing to challenge flawed logic. So how to mitigate AI sycophancy? While AI companies work on building less sycophantic models, you can take steps to get more accurate results. Reset the conversation. Start new chat sessions frequently to prevent the AI from overly adapting to your style. Stay neutral. Avoid expressing strong opinions or emotions during interactions. Always verify. Independently fact-check any critical information the AI provides using reliable sources. For their part, AI companies are actively working to address this issue through improved safety protocols, better training methods, and more transparent evaluation processes. Understanding AI sycophancy is crucial for responsible AI development and usage. By recognizing this behavior, you can better navigate your interactions and push for AI systems that are not just agreeable, but truly helpful and accurate. If you are excited to diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses.